Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be installing this highlighted wig that I received from WestKiss. I love the fact that this unit did come straight out of the package, pre-curled and pre-customized. This is their 13x4 body wave lace frontal wig. I got it in 24 inches and the density of this wig is 180% density. So the first thing I do is apply my even lace tint to the lace, and I use this in the color medium brown. The next step is to cut the air tabs off on each side of the lace so that the wig can properly fit on your head. I'm cutting my lace into 3 sections, and I like to work on each section separately, starting with the middle lace. To lay my lace down, I'm going in with my Bold Hold Active lace glue, and I'm going to apply a generous amount of glue since I'm only applying 1 layer of the glue. So once you see that the lace glue is becoming more transparent and it has like that tacky feel to it, that's when you want to take the lace and apply the hairline directly on top of where you applied the glue at. After applying your lace on top of the glue, you want to go in with your blow dryer. I'm using this blow dryer on the medium heat setting, and I am just blow drying the lace to the glue so that it can be fully glued down. Now I'm going in with my elastic band, and immediately following after that, I'm using my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting. I like to do this process just for that extra melted lace look and just to make sure that the lace is fully dried and secured on my head. And I do this process for about 5 to 10 minutes max. To cut my lace today, I will be using the Kiss razor, and I like to use the razor because it just gives the lace more of a natural look after cutting it. Now I'm going in with my Eben Melton spray to lay down the areas that did not fully glue down after cutting my lace. I'm using my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the color level 15, and this process here will really make your lace look 10 times more natural. I just feel like this product really helps to just mesh my skin tone with the lace so well. I want my baby hairs to have a more natural look, so I'm going in and I'm going to pluck the baby hairs to make it look thinner. I'm using my small edge flat iron to basically curl and bump my edges so I can get that fluffy baby hair look. I'm using the Carry Care wax stick to mold my hair down and get more of a flatter foundation on my wig. I'm using the Got2b High Flexible Hold Spray to style my baby hairs. I like using a holding spray for my baby hairs because I feel like it gives it more of a natural baby hair look, and it doesn't give off that hard gel type of look either. to enhance my parting space, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. Now I'm going into the styling part of this wig, and I'm using a wide tooth comb to basically comb out the curls on this wig. Unfortunately, the curls on this wig did not stay, and it just didn't look like anything once I combed it out. So I'm just gonna go in and curl the hair myself. So when it comes to curls, I'm always going to add layers to my hair. It just gives more volume to the hair. Then I'm gonna go in with my curling iron and start the curling process. So after I finish curling the hair, I'm going to take the pins out, and you really want to be careful during this process because you don't want to mess up the curls while taking the pins out. So once all of the pins are out, and I'm really just trying to like play around with the curls a little bit just to see how I would like it, how I wanted to form my face. While combing this hair out, I did receive some shedding with this wig, and as far as like tangles and knots with this wig, initially I did not receive any of that. So here we have the final look of this wig. I do really like the way that the curls came out, and I feel like the layers did frame my face pretty well. But what I really love about this wig is the highlights on this wig. I've never had highlights that look like this, and I think that it just gives off a certain look, and I really do like the way it came out. The hair initially came out the package nice and soft, and I love the fact that it came pre-curled and pre-customized, so it's definitely beginner friendly. So if you're looking for a nice pre-highlighted wig for the spring summertime, I'd say WestKiss will be a good option to go to.